guys, welcome back. Okay guys, we're going to be checking out Russian's brave record, Snowfall in Kams. Was that a name? Kamchatka, right? Okay, buried under buried under heavy winter storms. Okay, I guess this is like 2026 video and 2 weeks ago, right? Yeah, the video has been on for like 2 weeks ago. Snowfall. All right, guys, let's get in.
Ну веди, где твое кофе? Ого! Это вот там кофе? Да. Ну ты дерни дверь, открытую, нет? Может, нам туда не надо? Закрыто. А, закрыто? Я хочу, чтобы вы посмотрели уровень снега, в котором похоронена моя машина. Где-то там моя тачка. Очень где-то далеко.
See that thick? Jeez. Are you guys for real? This is real.
Следующее, если вам в эти подъезды надо, вот там пролази, сейчас покажу. А там вот.
Like after digging that car out there, how are you gonna drive it out? And God forbid, imagine a situation where you're done digging a car for hours only to realize it's not your car because I can see so many cars being parked in that place. Wow, it is so thick.
Ну, короче,
Oh no.
там надо пролезть, и ты будешь там во дворе. Вот этот момент мой самый любимый. Это городская сирена. Сейчас будет предупреждение. Мы вообще-то у нас здесь не будничные дни, знаете ли. Слушайте, что тетя говорит. Говори, тетя. Это мы. Доброе утро.
Это доброе.
Вы молодец, смотрите какой.
Я обозначил.
Jeez,
Правильно.
all the cars are buried.
Ну вы умничка, на дорогу не кидаете, проехать можно даже.
Дороги-то нет.
Но она...
Дороги, говорю, еще нет.
Wow.
Но она есть.
На 0,5?
No way.
И неразрушимость? О, как мило. Красавчики.
Oh my.
Молодцы. Давайте смотрите, сейчас птичку подберем.
Somebody told me these cars are specially built for this. Like after being buried down the snow and the car is still moving? Okay. Wow. This is thick. Can you believe that? He is on top of the car.
Просил одну и ту же парту.
Давайте.
Все, делай стартовую. И раз, два, три. Уёбок такой.
Сейчас снимаю.
Ну что, зря ты лез?
Он не залез. А это знаешь
Вау.
что? Это дюна.
Oh my God, that is really. I cannot love the fact that they are actually having so much fun doing that. But imagine the worst case where after digging this for hours, you get to discover that the car you just finished digging for hours is not your car. Because I feel like there's a car park and there's so many cars parked down there buried right under the snow. And please, guys, tell me these cars are built for this. Because after so how many hours of being buried under the snow, this car still started normally. Like nothing ever went wrong. I bet if I had my car down there, I won't even bother myself going there till summer returns. Okay, guys. Wow. Wow. This is really great. Hmm. Let me know your thoughts on this down in the comments. And I believe this video is this year, like a couple of weeks ago, that it's been posted. So this is what people are actually going through, whereas heat is almost finishing all of us over here. Mm. This is great, guys. See you in the next one.